Dr. McKell, why do you think some people don't share their faith the way the Great Commission in Matthew 28, how Jesus tells us to do that? What are some reasons you think?
I think some people are concerned that they might maybe harm their relationship with their friend because they
Yeah,
just haven't seen it modeled well. Maybe they've seen it modeled in a way that was just kind of argumentative and mean and insensitive, and that's not at all the kind of apologetics that God has called us to. We're supposed to engage with the heart of an ambassador, again with courage, but also with compassion. Just like Jesus, Jesus spoke
yeah,
truth, but he also loved people well, and so we need to do
yeah,
that. Another reason is people just aren't confident because they themselves don't know what they believe and why
yeah,
they believe it. And so
yeah,
that's another reason that apologetics ministry is so important as a discipleship piece, because it's part of that whole evangelism training that there's pre-evangelism that needs to be done. Sometimes people just
yeah,
have one question that they need to get over that's kind of a hurdle. Someone once called it like filling out the potholes on the road to salvation so people can come to know Christ. So at the end of
yeah,
the day, we want to have better spiritual conversations so that people can be
yeah.
invited into this relationship with Jesus and have a lasting, fulfilling relationship with God.